We will make a decent dishy, stir-fried bean sprouts pork. This recipe is easy to make but looks great. They are the main ingredients: bean sprouts, thin pork belly, also known as thin samgyeopsal, green onion, sesame ribs, and minced garlic. Sesame ribs go well with pork. It is an aromatic plant with a strong meaty smell. Cut it into bite-sized pieces, then spread it out to prevent clumping. Next, we will make the sauce. The sauce recipe will be written in the description at the bottom of the video, so please refer to it. Add sugar, red pepper, pepper powder, minced garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, and red pepper paste. Then mix them. Instead of sesame oil, you can add soju or cooking wine. They remove the bad smell of meat. Next, wash the bean sprouts in water. They are really fresh and nice. It is an excellent ingredient with a crispy texture. Bean sprouts are rich in vitamin B1 and stems are rich in vitamin C. It is also rich in fiber. In addition, it helps the body's detoxification and increases immunity. And arginine contained in bean sprouts expands blood vessels and is good for blood circulation. Put the prepared ingredients in a pot. First, bean sprouts. Add the thin pork belly, sliced green onions, and prepared sauce. You don't need to add a single drop of water because there is already so much water in the bean sprouts. Even if you don't add water, a lot of water comes out of the bean sprouts later. Cook over medium heat. The volume of the bean sprouts decreases over time. In the end, put sesame ribs and turn off the heat. Stir well. Now, it's done. Putting bean sprouts on rice, pork belly, and sesame ribs. The crispy texture of bean sprouts, the flavor of thin pork belly, and sesame ribs harmonize well. Make the sauce, add the ingredients, and cook it. It's so simple, but doesn't it look so great? You should try this recipe. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to click like and subscribe button now to stay up to date with new weekly video. I'm Junwoo. See you next time. Bye.